Hello everyone, my name is Indira. I'm 25 years old and I've been working as a teacher for 3 years.
Sometimes I use Google Maps in my lessons. For using Google Maps, you only need an internet connection and a digital device. Teacher and students can look up any place in the world within seconds and watch corresponding satellite or 360 degrees images. In my daily practice, I use ICT in my every lesson. I use it to make my children see the world clearly. In class, I go beyond the boundaries of four walls. For communication and for the correct structure of the sentence by my students, I use word wall. Word wall is a free online tool for creating learning activities. This platform can help save teachers from preparation time, create more interactive online learning. Learning apps activities can be used with all levels of learner. You can create, for example, a simple matching words and pictures activity. Learning apps activities can be used or created to practice vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation.
Blanket.
I also use various games and game presentations. I use the online games website. Through games, we can also help to improve and increase working memory.
Okay.
I also teach elementary school and I use games to develop 4K. Sometimes I use game presentations in my lessons and it's really interesting for students. The student must say that number it is before the time runs out. Activities, group work, games and presentation games to keep students engaged and motivated. You can have traffic lights up and use it to provide feedback. I want to show you really useful little websites called classroomscreen.com. First of all, you need to go to the classroomscreen.com. That's really useful website for people with an interactive screen and you are looking for things to use on the screen with the class. There are a lot of things for the lesson here. For example, if you need a clock, you just can click on clock. You can use the QR code, timer, randomizer. You can write the text. You can leave a link to a video or a material and you can turn it on. We can use classroom screen for the beginning of the lesson, for the middle and the end of the lesson.
Sometimes I use Pinterest. There are a lot of worksheets for the lessons.
For example, I found this method and repeated. So I did it for my students.
And another application that I use is Canva. It's easy to using and I want to show you how I did it.
Thời gian sẽ chẳng đợi chờ điều gì, và cho đến khi ta nhận ra tình yêu giống một trò đùa dại khờ, hay anh quá ngây thơ khi tin vào em. Cánh hoa vai tàn kịp tiếng cơn mưa đang rơi, lòng bỗng như trời.
Thời gian sẽ chẳng đợi chờ điều gì, và cho đến khi ta nhận ra tình yêu giống một trò đùa dại khờ, hay anh quá ngây thơ khi tin vào em. Cánh hoa vai tàn kịp tiếng cơn mưa đang rơi, lòng bỗng như trời vơi, càng nhớ em không rời. Đã hơn 2 giờ nhắm mắt nhưng không mơ, vẫn đang ngủ mơ chìm đắm trong ước mơ. Từng cuộc qua nỗi tôi làm sao anh quên, thì giọng nói em còn vương vấn anh, thì thầm đâu đó lời nào bên tai.